Lost or broke your Hisense Roku TV Remote? Don't worry, you can use your iPhone or Android phone as a Roku Remote. Here's how to set it up quickly and easily. Before we get started, make sure your phone and Hisense Roku TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If they're on different networks, the Roku app won't be able to detect or control your TV. Now, grab your phone and open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for the official Roku app and make sure the developer is Roku Inc. Once you find it, install the app and open it. When you open the app for the first time, allow any required permissions, like notifications or nearby devices if prompted. You can sign in with your Roku account if you want, or just continue as a guest. Now, go to the bottom menu and tap Devices or Remote, then tap Connect Now. After a few seconds, your Hisense Roku TV should appear in the list. Tap on it. And that's it. Your smartphone is now working as a full Roku Remote. One of the best things about using your phone as a remote is the built-in keyboard. Whenever you search for something on YouTube, Netflix, or other apps, you can type directly from your phone instead of slowly selecting letters one by one with the regular remote. It makes searching way faster and a lot more convenient. You can also open apps like YouTube or Netflix directly from the phone remote app. And if your physical remote ever stops working again, your phone can easily work as a full replacement. That's it. Thanks for watching.